Train time. Let's ride the train. Let's look at the entrance. You can see Guardians from here. Downtown Disney.
I'm sure I couldn't be able to.
Looks so tall. The Walt Disney. Why is it so tall? Yeah. Yeah. I mean, they made it look like a little house now, kind of. But I don't think there is anything up there on the second floor. Besides windows. Because I haven't seen any
Hello
way.
friends, welcome on board the Disneyland Railroad Holiday 4 train. This train will now be departing. Please remain fully seated and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs all the way inside of the train at all times. Parents, supervise your children of any and all age. Ensure they are fully sat down, either on a bench or on an adult slab. Children under the age of 7 are to be sat away from the center of the train car openings and the ends of the benches. Our next stop is New Orleans. Enjoy your ride.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a Grand Circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also
brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
See how long I get before it cuts off.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails.
Where are they being poured?
Just ahead is New Orleans Square. This station also serves Frontierland and Bayou Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step as you're getting off. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square.
They're just being weird on me. Get a cash cover. Take a picture of the crowd.
We are now arriving at New Orleans Square Station. Please remain completely seated until the train is completely parked all the way inside of the station. This is going to be your stop for all things Adventureland, Frontierland, New Orleans.
Land we're passing over are the Bee's Knees. Here in Bayou Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Louis the Alligator, and other beloved critters on their fun-filled adventures. As we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see.
Did it again. LOK. That's my new LOL. LOK.
There is the revered Indian shaman sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below. People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams, and the stories that went with them, were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness. This tunnel signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of pier, the ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown. the cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland.
We are now arriving at Toontown Depot. Remain fully seated until the train is parked all the way inside the station. This is going to be your nearest stop for Toontown, Fantasyland, It's a Small World, and more. Folks, please keep in mind that all of Toontown and select Fantasyland attractions will be closing around 8 o'clock in preparation for our 9:35 fireworks and will not reopen until 10:15, 10:30. Please plan accordingly and visit said attractions in said attractions. Thank you.
Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland.
Make sure our children stay fully seated on their bench at all times, please. Thank you.
And off in the distance, majestic.
Oh yeah, what do you say to that?
Small world.
Oh really? That's okay.
I would adore that ride that you don't like.
Here's one I can link.
And then at the end, Space Mountain again?
Yeah, I would adore it.
We're now steaming forward into the
think that's
future
gonna be
to a
torture?
land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959.
Wait times.
Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you.
I left
Speaking
it.
of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now.
Oh dang it.
If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including light.
We are now arriving at Tomorrowland Station. Please remain fully seated until the train is fully parked all the way inside of the station. This is going to be your nearest stop for the Autopia, the Disneyland Monorail, Space Mountain, Star Tours, and more.
At least I have
Once
it
again, hang
wrapped
tight.
up.
Please wait until the train is fully parked
if it does melt,
all the way
it'll melt
inside of the station. Do not stand up till we've stopped. Next stop will be Main Street USA, gateway to Disneyland. Hang tight, please wait, stay seated. For your safety. Friends, please make sure our feet do stay on the ground at all times. Our feet should be on the ground at all times, please. Thank you. Please make sure light up toys, ears, bubbles, bubble wands, and accessories are turned off for the courtesy and safety of those around you as we enter that tunnel, as well as making sure there is no flash photography and video lighting while you take your pictures and videos. Friends, our Grand Canyon and Primeval World dinosaur dioramas are currently under refurbishment. No, we're not removing or replacing them. We are just giving them some love after a very long time. So they will be returning later this month. Please check back with us. There are some stickers temporarily in place, so keep those eagle's eyes out if you're working on the Mickey's Park Ranger map. Thank you.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
was the Grand Canyon as we know it today.
Sure.
But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.
Keep saying that.
Well, folks, can you believe it? We escaped the terrors of the infamous Stickersaurus, right? We're now returning to Main Street Station. Please remain fully seated until the train is fully parked all the way inside of the station. This will be your stop for Main Street, Town Square, shopping, dining, any and all lands and attractions, park entrance and exit, Harbor Boulevard, pick up and drop off the downtown Disney area, bus and tram services, and more. This is also our only station with stairs only, no ramp, no elevator. Please keep that in mind as you're exiting. And welcome back to Main Street, USA. Please wait, stay seated. Our train is still moving.
And in just
Well, is it going now?
Yeah, and the water's going. Yeah, that part's not working right now. No, not that way. Exit only.
Oh, exit only, buddy.
It gets people all the time. Wait for this, Jake. Watch the Oscars. Yeah. It's all about the fastness. Oh boy.
No, it's only for knee high.
Look at the lizard. Dragonfly. Oh goodness. If I fall over after this. That's not working 100%. They do know this is a one-way attraction, right? There's only one way. Yeah, it's like this is a one-way attraction. Yes.
They probably went up the steps like I did.
Off the exit instead of the entrance.
Oh, yeah.
But that's the wrong way. They're going the wrong way. SCA book right there. You can see it there. Oops, sorry camera. Look at hear all the jungle noises here. It's kind of hard to see at night, so I'll go close up to it and caution fire ants. Look at the views we get from here. Oh goodness. Monkey's gone. Oh, more people going the wrong way. Everybody's going up the exit instead
They
of the
need a
entrance.
bigger exit only sign.
Yeah, they do. Because I'm like, yep. I don't know, nobody sees the exit sign.
Nobody
That's why they're going
does.
the wrong way. It says exit only, but people don't read.
Nick,
Yeah,
we work at Walmart. We know people don't read.
I know. It's kind of crazy. But there's nobody here right now telling people not to go that way. Tell them that's the exit.
Just so you know, this is the exit.
Yeah, this is the exit. The entrance is that way.
Buddy, turn around. Turn around. You're welcome. They don't have a big enough sign.
Yeah, it's pretty small.
Yeah, the sign's right here. Very small sign. I did the same thing.
Yeah.
No, Big Thunder Mountain.
Yeah, yeah. All right, cool. This way. Let's go down this way and see the waterfall. That way we can see the waterfall. Nice view of waterfall. Yeah. I've never seen so many people going up the exit there before. There we go. Thank you. They're getting ready for Fantasmic. They got the pirate ship ready. I can see on the. All right. Yep.
Stand by.
Yep. Whoops.
Well, it doesn't help that people just stand in the middle.
I know.
I'm sorry. Great.
Wait, there we go.
You did that,
Great. She was
Great.
trying to catch up to
Yeah,
him.
she was trying.
But we kept getting in her way.
So say you're sorry. That was okay.
That was not a mean.
But it wasn't
you didn't
great.
mean that sorry.
Yeah.
You were just saying sorry because we told you to say sorry. Sit off there.
All right.
Your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the bobsled. Be sure to watch your children. Auf Wiedersehen.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tobogán. Y cuide a sus pequeños.
For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the bobsled. And please, watch your kids. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tobogán. Cuide a los pequeños. Auf Wiedersehen.
splashdown. Shark. Disneyland at night. For no reason. Look, it looks all yellow. That doesn't look right. Right? It's yellow. Okay. Might not be the right setting after all. I don't know. What? I don't think so. And I think so.
Just have to go this way.
Yeah. There's a parade coming.
Yeah, they came through the store to meet her.
Small world at night. Well, we're not going to have a wait for this one. I said we're not going to have a wait for this one. Might even be able to get one. Right, and then the parade will be by.
Remain seated throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat.
By dry crabs, creates a cozy and thanks to everyone and enjoy cruise around the world.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco. Y cuida a los pequeñitos. Gracias. Welcome to It's a Small World. For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children. Thank you.
Willkommen! Für Ihre Sicherheit bleiben Sie bitte während der Bootfahrt sitzen und behalten Sie die Hände, Arme, Füße und Beine im Boot. Bitte achten Sie auf Ihre Kinder.